Welcome to IRMO Lab. Hello. This is our engineers lab where we do tests on motors, motherboards, and assembly of out-shears. Right now, we've got about 20 prototype machines being made here for our testing.
We are testing things like CPU memory and power consumption here. Bluetooth stability is key to the user experience. This is one of the main problems we've got to solve.
Of course, everything going smooth.
Alright, let's head to the next room. Let's go! This is our 700 square meter testing area. We can see slope testing room, staircase testing room, and the multifunction testing room. This is our algorithm engineer. He's working on image recognition and data collection. The IRMO M1 comes with a camera and radar. It uses collected images for environment and terrain recognition, and thanks to the IRMO motion assist system, it accurately identifies your gate to provide better support. How does it feel?
I feel that the different modes and settings are really helping my knees. It's definitely making walking much easier.
Plus, the app is already pretty solid.
We are working on more app features and testing compatibility with different systems. Maybe soon we'll chat together on the IRMO app.
Alright, if you have any questions, drop a comment and share away.